In today's video, I will walk you through how to download Stripe fee reports. To begin, go to your Stripe dashboard and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the top corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open Settings. Inside Settings, find and select Reporting and Documents. After that, open Documents. This section contains generated documents that are available for download. Browse through the available files and locate the document you need. The files that are available will appear as downloadable PDFs. Review the list and select the document that matches the period you want to access. Once you find the correct file, click it to download the PDF. After downloading the document, check that you selected the correct reporting period and review the contents of the file before saving or using it. If you also need invoices or receipts related to charges or payouts, return to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, open the Billing section. Inside Billing, click Invoices to view available invoice records. You'll see a list of invoices displayed on the page. Browse the list and locate the invoice you want to access. You can identify the correct invoice by reviewing the available details shown in the list. Once you find the invoice you need, click it to open the detailed view. After opening the invoice, look for the Download PDF option. If the Download PDF button is visible, click it to save a PDF copy. If you do not see the download button immediately, locate the three-dot menu on the page and click it. From the menu options, choose Download to access the PDF version of the invoice. Wait for the file to finish downloading and confirm that the correct document was selected. If you have many records in your account, use the available search tools, filters, and date range controls to narrow the results and locate the correct document more quickly. If you cannot find the document you need, verify that you are signed into the correct Stripe account and confirm that your account has access to billing and reporting sections. If a document appears incomplete, go back and confirm that the selected date range and invoice details match the records you intended to access. That's all there is to it. You successfully downloaded Stripe fee reports and invoice documents. Thank you for watching.